person who just got in as an MPL with one seat determines whether MK or the EFF govern KwaZulu-Natal or whether our coalition govern KwaZulu-Natal. That's not democratic. It was never intended that a party that could only get one seat determines who governs a province, but that is the result.
Kulamalunga nohlonze ANC aqembukele ku-DA kukhona amakhansela kanye nobengunobhala we-ANC e-Western Cape uNeville Deport.
This is just the beginning of ANC councillors, especially in rural regions, that will defect to the DA as we develop a strategy in the Western Cape to make sure the DA remains the political party in charge of this province.
I-DA ithi uDeport uzojutshwa esikhundleni esicishe esifana nalesi abe kuso kuKhongolose, kepha uzogxila kakhulu eqiniseni umkhankaso wayo wokuthola ivoti labomphakathi wamakhaladi.
I can understand why the coloured community believe that under apartheid they weren't white enough and now they're not black enough. To quote the phrase that Gayton always uses to mobilize people on an emotional basis. We leave the emotions out of it. We recognize the fact and we say, this is the solution. Please be part of a movement that is building a non-racial South Africa that will include you and that will recognize your culture as a very important contributor to the whole.
Kulesithangami, uhlalo wesigungu esiphezulu se-DA weluleke upholi bomkhandlu waseGoli ukuthi kufanele benze njani ukuhlenga idolobha. Lo mkhandlu ubhekene ngeziqu zamehlo nenhlangano i-Socio-Economic Rights Institution of South Africa, i-SERI, kulandela ukususwa kwabahwebi emgwaqeni yedolobha njengoba liqinisa imithetho yalo yezohwebo. Uzile uzomela i-DA kwesobumeya eGoli ngokhetho lohulumeni bezindawo oluzayo.
But if they want to rescue their city, they know what to do. They don't have to like me. They don't have to like me. They certainly don't have to like the DA. They just have to love Joburg to do the right thing by Joburg. We believe in Joburg and they must too.
Ngomsombuluko, inkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli yayalela umkhandlu ukuba wabe izindawo zokuhweba uphinde uhlonze abahwebi ngokomthetho, ikakhulukazi emgwaqeni uDe Villiers abasuswa.